How to sign a PDF in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can sign a particular PDF file, especially if it is a contract in your Android device. So we'll be doing this using free online available tools, and let me show you how we can do this. So first, let us open any web browser of our choice. I will be going with Google Chrome. Now once I am inside Google Chrome, I will open a new tab and simply search for I Love PDF. I Love PDF is an online service to work with PDF files. Now inside the I Love PDF, I will simply click onto this website, and here you can see this is the particular structure of this particular website. Now from here you can scroll down and try to find if there is an option to sign a PDF, and here you can see this option that says sign PDF. So now simply click on to sign PDF and then select the PDF file that you want to sign. So click on to this red button and it will open your recent files, and you can choose that particular file that you want to sign. So simply choose that particular file. So for example, let's say I will choose this file, and if there are multiple people who will be signing this, you can choose several people, or if you are the only single person who needs to sign this document, you can choose only me. And then from here you have this option to either create your own signature right now by typing in your initials, or also there is a different option to upload a company stamp as well. So let's say I will be just signing it right now. Also, if you want to draw your sign, you can draw your signature here on this particular pad. So you can draw your sign as per your wish. And also, if you want to sign via any particular photo, if you have a photo of your signature, you can upload this using this. So I will be signing it using this pad, and then click onto this apply button. And I might also need to give my name as well. And then once I'm done with this, I can click onto this apply button, and you can see that the sign will be applied into this particular image or this PDF. So what I will be needing to do is simply adjust it first, and then I can choose that particular area where I want to get it signed. So let me show you how you can do this. So after selecting the particular page on which you want to sign, so for example, let's say I want to sign onto this second page, you will need to go to settings, and from here you can see this is my signature. So I will be just simply dragging and dropping this, like as here you can see, and I will just close it again, and now my signature is successfully appearing into this particular page. So if I want to move this, I can do so the same as well, like here, and once that will be done, I can remove the duplicates as well. Now you can see that the sign has been successfully in this particular page. If I want to move it to second page, I can simply go to second page, but it will be locked here, so I can simply remove it, go to the second page again, go to settings, then again click onto the signature, will again close this. I will need to drag and drop, will close this again, and here you can see that I have signed this. And once I'm done with this, I'll click onto the sign button. It will process the information, and I can click onto this download file option. Just wait for the download process to start and finish, and then we will review this particular PDF file and check whether the PDF file is signed or not. So I have downloaded the file, and here you can see in the second page the signature is right here. So that's how easily you can sign any particular PDF file. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.